I am going to show you how you can create Prezi-style animations using CapCut. Prezi is a cloud-based presentation software that offers an alternative to traditional slide-based tools like PowerPoint. Instead of moving through slides in a linear sequence, Prezi uses zoomable canvas where you can pan and zoom between different elements, creating a more dynamic and visually engaging experience. What if we want to create a similar animation in CapCut? While it is straightforward, you will need some additional adjustments because zooming into a compound clip can reduce quality. Let me show you what I made in CapCut to replicate the Prezi style. Let's prepare this together in CapCut. Hi, I am Ozhan, Senior Project Manager and Team Leader with 15 years of experience. Throughout my career, I have successfully managed and led teams and delivered projects across a diverse range of industries and organizations in more than 10 countries. I created this video because I am deeply convinced that visualization shouldn't be limited to a graphic designer alone. I firmly believe that all leaders, developers, and business professionals should embrace a variety of tools to communicate and bring their ideas to life. Demonstrating concepts visually is essential for everyone who wants to effectively share their vision. To succeed in Prezi-style animation in CapCut, we need 6 steps. First, we need to collect graphics for our video. Second, we will make pan and zoom animations. Third, we will use overlay to increase quality. Fourth, we will reverse some clips to create turnback effect. Next, we will add music and sound effects, then it will be ready to share. You may use any word map, but it is important to select one with space around the countries. And free space is important, since we will be both zooming and panning. While free maps are available everywhere, for this tutorial I am using FreePic. FreePic is a global, creative platform that provides millions of graphic resources and AI-powered design tools for professionals and businesses. FreePlan has access to thousands of assets with attribution required. Let's search for the word map and choose the best option for you. I choose this one and edit in Canva Affinity.
Import graphics first. Arrange layers. The world map appears at the bottom. Extend world map timeline. Zoom to world map as default view. Disable uniform scale to extend width only. Arrange other pictures and move to related countries. Go to Effects and use Frame Effect to each country picture. Move the effect to inside of country pictures. Make final adjustments for size. Select all, right-click to open context menu and create compound clip. Go inside compound clip and increase timeline of first country. Turn back to main timeline. Create a keyframe in for seconds. Shift plus right 5 times arrow on keyboard to go to specific timeline. Create keyframe, then increase scale and pan to get closer to the country. Create another keyframe and zoom, pan more. Make final arrangements for country picture. Add text beside picture. Right-click and choose all presets, then quad in. You can try other presets. Decide where you want to increase quality. Go into Compound Clip and Ctrl-C to copy country image. Paste to place where you want to override animation for quality increase. I recommend start from middle of main animation. Decrease length of country image timeline. As you see, I start animation from middle of main graphics to keyframes. Create first keyframe. Create second keyframe at finish of main zoom animation. Arrange size and position to match country graphics. Do same arrangement for first keyframe. Test animation. Make adjustments for smoother zoom. Go to Effects and search Zoom. Choose Blurry Zoom and move to Layer. Increase speed and decrease blur. Go to Compound Clip. Delete right to hide low quality zoom picture. Turn back and see result. Go to Timeline where you will add text. Go to Text panel and move default text. Modify font, size and position. Create two keyframes and arrange size from small to bigger. Test animation. Right-click to keyframe and select Show All Presets. Select Rebound Out. Create keyframe for the world map. Extend timeline for both text and America pictures. We will zoom more. Create to keyframes. Move graphic away at last keyframe. Create keyframe for text. Create a keyframe at world map and zoom. Extend text timeline more because we want to zoom inside. Create keyframe for world map. Create keyframe at text and zoom until you get full green color. Go to text and select your template. Test for both zoom levels. Arrange keyframes. Now it is time to create return animation. Create a compound clip from to text and USA picture. Duplicate and move pressing Alt key. Reverse clip. Increase speed. Test return animation. Delete parts from return animation. Decide where to insert the image during zoom out. Copy and paste for that specific time. It is time to return to previous state. Create new keyframe for world map. You can copy keyframe from previous one where we want to return. Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V. Arrange keyframes. Now it is time to move to next country. Got to world map clip. Extend timeline for Russia. Extend timeline for Russia and other countries. Create new keyframe for world map. Zoom and pan to Russia. Create another keyframe. Zoom and pan more. Modify thumbnail accordingly. You can copy-paste text from America. Repeat all remaining steps that you applied for America. Apply fade in animation for country images and change start times. Choose a header for your video. We almost completed. Next we will add sound effects and music. Go to Audio tab and add any music and sound effects to timeline. Thanks to FreePic, you can download modified image resource from description.